Hey everybody, Brian from Innisfil Creek Honey. I was walking around the shop this morning and I walked by this stack of solid bottom boards. The solid bottom boards is one of those items in beekeeping that nobody really gives it a second thought. They think it's a solid bottom board, as simple as that. Really, it's a reversible bottom board. If you look at the profile here, the top profile right now has a ledge on it that will lift your bottom box 3/8 of an inch off the bottom board. And the bottom part here has a ledge that is 3/4 of an inch. This is actually the summer side, and then this is the winter side. So if you're using a solid bottom board, in the summer months, you want to have the small ledge up top. And with the small ledge up top, when you put your frame or your box of frames on top of it, it holds the frame 3/8 of an inch off of the bottom. The 3/8 of an inch is the bee space. So now the bees can come in and out of the hive. They can fit through the bee space, but it's small enough that they will not build wax on the bottom of your frames. In the summer months, you leave that side. And in the fall, when you're preparing for winter, you take your bottom board and you flip it over. With it flipped over, now the frames are held 3/4 of an inch off the bottom board. In the winter months, the bees are not building beeswax, so you don't have to worry about them building burr comb on the bottom of your frames. But what they are doing all winter is dying. So in the fall, you might have a cluster size inside your hive going into winter of about 26,000 bees. And by spring, you might only have 12,000 bees. A good percentage of those bees will have fallen down onto your bottom board. This 3/4 inch gap allows space for those dead bees to fall down on your bottom board and still allow space to have an entrance in your hive. In the spring, you go out to your beehives. You take them apart, you flip your bottom board over, clean off the dead bees, and go back to the summer months, the summer side. I just thought it's something that some beekeepers out there might not know. Anyways, Brian from Innisfil Creek Honey. If you ever need anything, have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.